Most people have no idea their body is already trying to fix itself right now, quietly working in the background, even when you're not thinking about it. But here is the problem. For millions of people, that repair process is running on empty. And it's usually not age or genetics. It's something much simpler. It is 3 simple things missing from the daily diet. Stay with me until the end, because the third food on this list is one almost everyone ignores, and it may be the most important one of all. Welcome back. I want to start today with a question. Have you noticed how 2 people the same age can feel completely different? One is sharp, energetic, and recovering well from life's daily wear and tear. The other is exhausted, inflamed, foggy, and slowly feeling like their body is giving up. And it's not just luck. Most of the time, it comes down to what the body is being given to work with at the cellular level. Today, I am going to walk you through 3 scientifically supported foods that directly fuel your body's natural repair systems. They are ordinary, affordable, widely available foods that most people are either eating incorrectly or not eating enough of. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how each one works, why most people are underusing them, and how to combine them for maximum effect. And trust me, number 3 is going to surprise you. Let us start with a food that was wrongly put on trial for decades and is only now getting the recognition it deserves: eggs. Now, before you think you already know everything about eggs, hear me out. Because most people are making one specific mistake with eggs. That is cutting their nutritional benefit in half. Literally in half. Here is what you need to understand first. Your body is constantly fixing and rebuilding itself. Every day, your body breaks down damage and rebuilds it again. Muscles are rebuilt. Enzymes are renewed. Immune cells are produced. But all of that rebuilding requires raw material. And that raw material is protein. Specifically complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids in the right ratios. This is where eggs come in. In nutrition science, eggs are actually used as the reference food for protein quality. Other protein sources are measured against eggs. BECAUSE eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in ratios that the human body can absorb and use with exceptional efficiency. Eggs give your body one of the most complete forms of protein it can use. That means less waste, more repair. But here is the mistake most people make. They eat only the egg white and throw away the yolk. And when they do that, they are discarding vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, and one of the most important and underconsumed nutrients in the modern diet, choline. Most people have never even heard of choline, but research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that the majority of adults are not meeting their daily choline needs, and this matters enormously. Choline is required to build and maintain the membranes of every brain cell you have. It is needed for neurotransmitter production, for memory, for learning, and for liver function. Low choline over time has been linked to cognitive decline, poor nerve signaling, and fatty changes in the liver. And egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of this nutrient on the planet. And yes, you're probably thinking about cholesterol. What about cholesterol? What about heart disease? This is one of the most persistent myths in nutrition history. Older research linked eggs to heart disease by association, not causation. People who ate a lot of eggs in those studies also tended to eat poorly in other ways. Modern research, including large-scale reviews published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, has consistently shown that for most healthy adults, dietary cholesterol from eggs does not meaningfully raise cardiovascular risk. Your liver actually regulates its own cholesterol production based on how much you consume. When you eat more, it produces less. The body is smarter than the old science gave it credit for. 2 to 3 whole eggs per day, for most people, is not a risk. It is a resource. A repair resource your body has been waiting for. Before I move on, tell me in the comments. Do you eat the whole egg or just the whites? I am genuinely curious how many people are still avoiding the yolk. But here is what is even more interesting. Eggs alone are only part of the picture. Because even if you are eating enough protein, there is a hidden system in your body that determines how well you actually absorb and use those nutrients. And most people never think about it. That system is your gut. And this is where the second superfood becomes critical. Greek yogurt and kefir. And yes, there is a right way and a wrong way to use them. Most people are choosing the wrong version without realizing it. This might surprise you. Most people don't realize this. A huge part of your immune system lives in your gut. Think about that for a moment. Your immunity, your inflammation levels, your ability to absorb nutrients, even your brain signaling. All of it is profoundly influenced by the ecosystem of bacteria living inside your digestive tract. Scientists call it the microbiome, and research published in Nature Reviews Gastroenterology has shown just how central it is to whole body health. When the microbiome is out of balance, the effects are not limited to digestion. People experience fatigue they cannot explain, brain fog that comes and goes, chronic low-grade inflammation, weakened immunity, slower recovery from illness or physical stress. Sound familiar? Because for a lot of people watching this, that description is their daily life, and they have no idea the gut is connected. This is where Greek yogurt and kefir become powerful tools. Both contain live beneficial bacteria, including strains of Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, that research shows help restore balance in the gut environment. Studies have demonstrated that regular probiotic intake helps strengthen the intestinal lining, reduce what is called intestinal permeability or leaky gut, improve how efficiently nutrients are absorbed, and lower inflammatory signaling throughout the body. And that last point matters more than most people realize. Inflammation is one of the primary brakes on your body's repair process. When inflammation is chronically elevated, even mild and invisible, repair slows down. Recovery takes longer, energy stays low, but when you address the gut, inflammation often reduces, and the whole repair system speeds back up. Greek yogurt also brings something else to the table. It is high in casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a sustained release of amino acids. This is especially valuable for muscle maintenance and repair, particularly for older adults, people recovering from illness, or anyone whose body is under consistent physical or emotional stress. Now here is the critical warning. And this is where most people go wrong. The benefits of Greek yogurt and kefir are almost entirely canceled out if the product contains added sugar. And if you walk through any supermarket and look at the flavored yogurt section, the majority of products have significant added sugar. Research clearly shows that excess sugar disrupts the balance of gut bacteria, feeding harmful strains over beneficial ones. So all that probiotic goodness is undermined before it even has a chance to work. The rule is simple. Always choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt or kefir. Add your own fruit if you need sweetness. Your gut will thank you in ways you can actually feel. Here is a fact that stops most people mid-conversation. When I share it, the bacteria in your gut collectively weigh roughly the same as your brain. You are carrying an entire ecosystem inside you, and what you feed it today determines how well your body functions tomorrow. That is not a metaphor. That is biology. Now the third food on this list is the one most people completely dismiss. They think it is too simple, too ordinary, but the science behind it is anything but ordinary. And this is where things get really interesting. Bananas. Yeah, I know, not the most exciting food, but stay with me, because what bananas do inside your body, particularly in combination with the first two foods, is genuinely impressive. Let us start with the mineral most adults are not getting enough of: potassium. And the truth is, most people aren't getting enough potassium. A large portion of adults in the US and UK fall significantly short of their recommended daily potassium intake, and the consequences of low potassium are more serious than most people assume. Potassium is required for every single muscle contraction in your body, including your heart. It regulates nerve impulse transmission. It maintains fluid balance across cell membranes. It plays a direct role in keeping your heart rhythm stable. When potassium is low, the body starts sending signals: muscle cramps, unexplained fatigue, weakness, that heavy, drained feeling that people often blame on age or stress. Doctors see this pattern regularly, and one of the simplest corrections is adding more potassium-rich food to the daily diet. Bananas are one of the most accessible and affordable natural sources available. But here's the interesting part. They are also a prebiotic food. That means they contain specific fibers that feed and nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut, the same bacteria we just discussed with Greek yogurt. So bananas do not just fuel your body directly. They support the system that regulates how your whole body repairs and recovers. That is a two-layer benefit from one humble piece of fruit. On the energy side, bananas provide carbohydrates in a form the body converts quickly and efficiently. When eaten alone in large amounts, they can cause a blood sugar spike. But when paired with protein or healthy fat, which the eggs and yogurt provide, that energy release becomes smooth and sustained. Morning energy without the crash. Post-exercise recovery without the slump. Consistent fuel for the repair processes happening all day long. This is why the combination of these three foods is not random. It is mechanically logical. Eggs provide the structural material for repair. Yogurt optimizes absorption and controls inflammation through the gut. Bananas supply the minerals, fiber, and energy that keep the whole system running cleanly and efficiently. Here is something that might genuinely surprise you. Research suggests that the repair processes in your body, the ones rebuilding tissue, clearing waste, renewing cells, are most active during sleep. This means what you eat in the hours before bed, or first thing in the morning, can directly influence the quality of repair your body completes overnight and throughout the day. These 3 foods, eaten consistently, are providing that support. At the exact biological moments it matters most. Let me bring this all together now. Because individually these foods are valuable, but together they function like a complete support system for your body's repair mechanisms. Eggs are giving your body the complete proteins and critical micronutrients it needs to physically rebuild, damage tissue, maintain brain health, and support immune function. Greek yogurt and kefir are ensuring that your gut is working efficiently, that inflammation is managed, and that the nutrients from everything else you eat are actually being absorbed properly. Bananas are maintaining the mineral balance required for nerve and muscle function, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and providing steady, clean energy so your body is not running on fumes during the repair process. This isn't some trend. It's just how your body works. It is basic, well-researched nutritional support for how the human body actually functions. And the beautiful thing is that none of this is expensive or complicated. It is consistent, intentional, and grounded in biology. Your body is not broken. It is not failing you. It is genuinely intelligent, constantly working to keep you functional and well, but it can only work with what you give it. Food is not just fuel. It is information. It is instruction. And when you give your body the right signals consistently, the response is quiet but powerful. So here is what I want you to do today. Start simple. Add one of these 3 foods to your next meal. Not tomorrow, today. Small, consistent changes are what create meaningful, lasting differences in how you feel. Now I have a question for you. Which of these 3 foods surprised you the most? And are you already eating any of them regularly? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if you are watching from the US, UK, or anywhere else in the world, drop your location below. I love seeing where this community is coming from. If this video helped you, if you found this helpful, just tap like. It really helps. It takes 1 second, and it helps this information reach more people who genuinely need it. And if you want more science-backed health content like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss an upload. Do not ignore what your body is trying to tell you. It is always communicating. The question is whether you are listening. Next, watch the video coming up right after this one, where I reveal exactly what happens to your body when you eat 4 eggs every day for 30 days. The results from the research may genuinely change how you think about breakfast. And one final thought to leave you with. If your body is repairing itself every single day without you even trying, imagine what becomes possible when you actually start helping it.